computers. What computers? That's it. Let's say if this is an HR, let's say this is an HR department, right? It's HR. What the computers, sorry, not computers, the computers, the PCs. So people walk into the office, right? Let's say they have about 254 of them, whatever, how many number they have, right? Come in there, and this is HR. This subnet is meant for HR PCs, right? This HR PCs, this is what the subnet is meant for. And these bits are going to give them those numbers, okay? Get it? So now, this is what this is going to be used for. And in the network terminology, they call them hosts. Host what? Host bits. They're bits. So I'm gonna change the name on the other side now. I used to call it the network side because I was using English, but now since we're getting deep into things, I'm gonna call it network bits. You see the difference? Network bits. So that side, again, the same side that determines the subnet mask, that tells us that these are the bits that are used for subnetting. I mean, for the network side. Again, the network side. They'll call what the network bits. And the ones that are not used for the network side, they call the host bits. And those are the host bits are what we use to create the subnets. Okay? That's what we create a subnet. So again, because we're making sense of what we're trying to make sense. Remember, I just put an IP at random, 192.168.254.22. Now, that's just one of the IPs that was given to my computer from my home modem, right? That's just one IP, right? I could see that IP. I could see the subnet max is /24. We just defined what /24 looks like in terms of bits and bytes. Now, what is the network ID? Those are the components. In our object, in our objectives, one of the objectives for us to be able to define, understand what are the components of a subnet. One of the components of a subnet is the network ID or the network IP. The other one is the subnet mask, which we've been talking about. The other one is the broadcast IP